Helo, noswaith dda, a chroeso I Sgorio. Hello, good evening, and welcome to Sgorio. Arthur Emyr ydw I. I'm Arthur Emyr. These tapes, and the booklet which accompanies them, will help you to follow the football commentary on Sgorio. The pack contains most of the key terms and phrases used in the commentary. The emphasis is on listening and understanding those key terms and phrases. You can use the tape exercises again and again to familiarise yourself with the Welsh. The answers will be given on the tape after each exercise. The tape will proceed at a leisurely pace, giving you plenty of time to follow the exercises in the booklet. Now turn to the booklet. The introduction section lists several names. Tick them off as you listen to the following pieces of actual commentary.
Noswaith dda, rhyw fath o frwydr Dafydd a goleuaeth gyfoes I chi heno. Dafydd yn lliwiau Juventus, a dyn bach o Portugal rwy baros. A'r cawr o'r Almaen ac Inter, Jürgen Klinsmann. Hyn I gyd heb anghofio am gadfridogion fel Schillaci a Lothar Matthäus. Yn y stadio comunale Turin, y cyfle mawr I Juve nid I marc ar feic y cyngrair. O Sbaen heno, Barcelona yn teithio I Osasuna, ond yn ceisio dal Real Madrid. A'r chwaraewyr sy'n ar dir mwy chythrig na Johan Cruyff hyd yn oed, o Durham ac o Gaerdydd. Chydig o newyddion pêl-droed I chi cyn mynd at y chwarae. Yn ôl a ddeallir, mae Marco van Basten, ymosodwr Milan a'r iseldiroedd, wedi arwyddo cytundeb 3 blynedd newydd sbon efo'i glwb.
Congratulations. You have just completed the first exercise. Uned 1. Gwledydd. Unit 1. Countries. As a fan of Sgorio, you will know that not all the players actually come from Italy and Spain. Here are some of the other countries that you will hear mentioned. Yr Almaen, Germany. Yr Iseldiroedd, Holland. Ariannin, Argentina. Brazil, Brazil. Ffrainc, France. Yr Eidal, Italy. Sbaen, Spain. Russia, Russia. Portugal, Portugal. Gwlad Pwyl, Poland. Denmark, Denmark. Rewind the tape and listen again. This time, follow the list in the booklet. Note that those countries without a national by their side are usually preceded by a gwro, the man from, a gwro, in the commentary. Now look at exercise 1A in the booklet. Each sentence you're going to hear matches up a player's name with his country. You match them up in the booklet by placing the correct number in the brackets. 1. Y bêl allan I Maradona, y dewin o Ariannin. 2. Careca, sy'n aelod o dîm Cwpan y Byd, Brasil. 3. Nawr Fuller sy'n ar bêl, un o gongolfeini tîm yr Almaen. 4. Van Basten o'r iseldiroedd yn rhyngipio. 5. Tackle galed gan Zafarov, un o ser tîm Rwsia. Here are the answers to exercise 1A. 1. Argentina. Ariannin. Argentina. You should have the number 3 in the brackets. 2. Brazil. Number 5 in the brackets. 3. Germany. Yr Almaen. Germany. Number 1 in the brackets. 4. Holland. Yr iseldiroedd. Holland. Number 2 in the brackets. And 5. Russia. 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 Number 4 in the brackets. Exercise 1B. Now you will hear examples from actual commentary. Try and match the player with the country again.
Alejnikov a Russiad. Baros o Portugal. Denmark, Michael Laudrup yn selio'r fuddugoliaeth. At Alemao, y siren o Brazil.
Chendo, 4 cap ar 10 dros Sbaen yn 7 ar 20 oed. And here are the answers to exercise 1B. 1. Russia. Russia. 2. Portugal. 3. Denmark. 4. Brazil. 5. Spain. Uned 2. Rhifau. Unit 2. Numbers. Listen to the names and numbers of the AC Milan team and follow them in the booklet. Number 1. Rhif 1. Andre Pazagli. Number 2. Rhif 2. Stefano Salvatori. Number 3. Rhif 3. Paolo Maldini. Number 4. Rhif 4. Diego Fuser. Number 5. Rhif 5. Costa Curta. Number 6. Rhif 6. Franco Baresi. Number 7. Rhif 7. Roberto Donadoni. Number 8. Rhif 8. Frank Rijkaard. Number 9. Rhif 9. Marco van Basten. Number 10. Rhif 10. Carlo Ancelotti. Number 11. Rhif 11. Marco Simone. Exercise 2A. Now, listen to the names and numbers of the Juventus team. As you listen, jot down the numbers in figures by the player's name in the booklet. You may hear yn gwisgo, wearing, yn gwisgo, or yn chwarae, playing, yn chwarae, before the number. Rhif 1. Stefano Tacconi. Rhif 2. Nicolo Napoli. Rhif 3. Luigi De Agostini. Rhif 4. Roberto Gallia. Rhif 5. Dario Bonetti. Rhif 6. Roberto Tricella. Rhif 7. Daniele Fortunato. Rhif 8. Rui Barros. Rhif 9. Alexander Zavarov. Rhif 10. Giancarlo Marocchi. Rhif 11. Salvatore Schillaci. Here are the answers to exercise 2A. Tacconi, number 1. Napoli, number 2. De Agostini, number 3. Gallia, number 4. Bonetti, number 5. Tricella, number 6. Fortunato, number 7. Barros, number 8. Zavarov, number 9. Marocchi, number 10. And number 11, Schillaci. Exercise 2B. Now listen to the numbers of the following players. Write the number by the side of each player. Aldridge, rhif 9. Goicoechea, rhif 11. Gonzalez, rhif 1. Koeman, rhif 4. Milla, rhif 6. Here are the answers to exercise 2B. Aldridge, rhif 9, number 9. Goicoechea, rhif 11, number 11. Gonzalez, rhif 1, number 1. Koeman, rhif 4, number 4. And Milla, rhif 6, number 6. Uned 3. Pwy sy'n chwarae ble? Unit 3. Who plays where? In this unit, you will hear the important positions mentioned in Sgorio. A golwr, or a golgeidwad, the goalkeeper. Yn chwarae yn y gôl, playing in the goal. Yr amddiffyn. The defence. Amddiffynwr. Defender. Cefnwr de. Right back. Cefnwr chwith. Left back. Sgibwr. Sweeper. Canol y cae. Midfield. Yr asgell. The wing. Asgellwr. Winger. Blaenwr. Forward. Yn chwarae yn y blaen. Playing as a forward. Ymosodwr. Attacker. Yr ymosod. The attack. Rewind the tape and listen as many times as necessary until you are familiar with the positions. Then try exercise 3A. Each sentence in this exercise mentions a well-known player and the position he plays. Tick the correct position in the booklet. 1. Prif sgoriwr Juventus yw'r asgellwr Schillaci. 2. Yn chwarae yn y gôl I Juventus mae Taconi. 3. Yn chwarae yng nghanol y cae I Inter Milan mae Verdelli a Mandolini. 4. Brio a Tricella yn asgwrn cefn I amddiffyn Juventus. 5. Yn chwarae yn y blaen I Juventus mae'r seren o Rwsia Safarov. Here are the answers to exercise 3A. Schillaci is a winger, asgellwr. Taconi plays in goal, yn chwarae yn y gôl. Mandolini and Verdelli are both midfield players, yng nghanol y cae. Brio and Tricella are defenders, amddiffyn. Safarov is a forward, yn chwarae yn y blaen. Exercise 3B. Now some more genuine commentary. Note the position of each player in English by the side of his name.
De Louis. Ydy'r cefnwr de gwisgo'r hif 2. Roedd y blaenwr Gonzalez hefyd, gwyliwch o'r hif 9. Aloisio, y cefnwr, hif 2. Mandolini at Matteus. Yn ôl lawr at yr asgell at I gydwladwr, Andreas Breme.
And now the answers to exercise 3B. 1. De Luis is a right back. 2. Gonzalez is a forward. 3. Aloisio is a right back, number 2. 4. Breme is a winger. Uned 4. Amser. Unit 4. Time. All the following phrases refer to time or to a particular instance during the game. Y gic gynta. The kick-off. 2 funud. 2 minutes. 5 munud. 5 minutes. 10 eiliad. 10 seconds. Yr hanner cynta. The first half. Chwarter awr. Quarter of an hour. Hanner awr. Half an hour. Ar ôl. Left. Mae hanner awr ar ôl. There is half an hour left. Mae hanner awr yn weddill. There is half an hour left. Yn weddill, which also means left. 5 minutes in weddill. There are 5 minutes left. Yr egwyl, the interval. Hanner amser, half time. Yr ail hanner, the second half. Amser ychwanegol, extra time, additional time. Amser ychwanegol am anafiadau, injury time, additional time for injuries. Y chwiban ola, the final whistle. Rewind the tape and listen to the phrases again until you feel familiar with them. Now, listen to some of the same phrases used in context. Maradona yn cymryd y gic gynta I Napoli. Maradona takes the kick-off for Napoli. Mae 5 munud wedi mynd o'r hanner cynta. 5 minutes of the first half have gone. Mae hanner awr o'r gêm ar ôl. There is half an hour of the game left. 10 eiliad yn unig sydd ar ôl. There are only 10 seconds left. Y sgôr ar yr egwyl ydy Napoli 1, Juventus dim. The score at the interval is Napoli 1, Juventus 0. Chwarter awr sy'n weddill o'r ail hanner. There's a quarter of an hour left of the second half. Maen nhw'n chwarae amser ychwanegol am anafiadau. They're now playing injury time. Exercise 4A. You will now hear the same phrases in different sentences. Each one will be numbered. Write the number by the corresponding English sentence in the booklet. 1. A dyna'r chwiban ola, ac mae'r sgôr yn gyfartal. 2. Chwarter awr wedi mynd, ac mae'r gêm yn ddi-sgôr. 3. Ar ôl hanner awr, mae Real Madrid ar y blaen. 4. Napoli yn sgorio yn ystod amser ychwanegol am anafiadau. 5. Inter Milan yn cymryd y gic gynta. The answers were A, 5, B, 4, C, 1, D, 2, and E, 3. Exercise 4B. Listen to the following commentary extracts from genuine games. Listen as many times as you like. When you know the meaning, tick off one of the choices in each of the sentences in the booklet.
Taconi a Walter-Zenga. Ddau arwr yr hanner cynta, Juve I gychwyn yr ail hanner.
Atebion. Answers to exercise 4B. Juventus are starting the second half. There are only 10 seconds left and additional time. The referee has indicated to the players that he intends to play another 2 minutes. Uned 5, y chwarae. Unit 5, the play. The outfield. Here are the terms used for the movements of the outfield players. Listen as many times as necessary. Kicio. Kicking. rhedeg, running, penio, heading, pasio, passing, taclo, tackling, saethu, or ergydio, shooting, sgorio, scoring, croesi, crossing, ffigio, dummying, rhwydo, netting, rhyngipio, intercepting, cysgodi'r bêl, shielding the ball, cymryd kick gornel, taking a corner kick, colli meddiant, losing possession, ennill meddiant, gaining, winning possession, mynd amdani, going for it, rheoli'r bêl, controlling the ball. Now, listen to 5 of the terms used in context. Ferdeli yn rheoli'r bêl yn berffaith. Ferdeli controls the ball perfectly. Schillaci, I gymryd y gic gornel. Schillaci, to take the corner kick. Goal I Napoli, Maradona yn rhwydo. A goal for Napoli, Maradona nets. Barcelona yn colli meddiant I Real. Barcelona lose possession to Real. Van Basten yn penio'n syth i'r rhwyd. Van Basten heads straight into the net. And now for the goalkeeper. Here are some of his movements. Arbed. Saving. Taflu. Throwing. Dal y bêl. Catching the ball. Clirio. Clearing. Bwrw'r bêl. Or dyrnu'r bêl. Punching the ball. Gollwng y bêl. Dropping the ball. Cymryd kick goal. Taking a goal kick. Pasagli yn arbed yn wych ac yn taflu'r bêl allan. Pasagli saves brilliantly and throws the ball out. Exercise 5A. The following 5 sentences use the above terms. Place a circle around the correct answer in the booklet when you hear each sentence. Maradona yn sgorio gôl wych. Careca yn rhyngipio. Y gic gornel yn cael ei chymryd gan Rijkaard. Mae'r golwr yn dal y bêl yn ddiogel. Zafarov yn penio i'r rhwyd. And the answers to exercise 5A. Maradona scores. Yn sgorio. Careca intercepts. Yn rhyngipio. Rijkaard takes a corner. Kick gornel. The goalkeeper catches the ball. And dal y bêl. Zafarov heads. And penio. Exercise 5B. Now the real thing. What are these players doing? Circle the correct answer in the booklet.
Klinsmann! Oh, to
A Fuller nawr, ond yn colli'r meddiant. Tempest Dili yn ceisio ryddhau Fuller. O, yn cael ei daclo'n dda ac yn lan. Maradona ei hun sydd i gymryd y gornel.
And the answers to exercise 5B are as follows. Tacconi saves. Arbed. Mataws shoots. Yn ergydio. Fuller loses possession. Yn colli meddiant. Tempest Dili is tackled. Yn cael ei daclo. Maradona takes a corner kick. Cymryd y gornel. Uned 6. Sgorio. Unit 6. Scoring. Here are some of the key terms used to talk about goal scoring. Listen as many times as necessary. Goal. Goal. Sgorio. Scoring. Wedi sgorio dros. Has scored for. Wedi mynd ar y blaen. Has taken the lead. Wedi dod yn gyfartal. Has drawn level. Kick o'r smotyn. Penalty kick. Or kick gosb. Penalty kick. Goal ddim yn cyfri. Goal disallowed. Now, here are the terms in context. Goal I Juventus gan Zavarov. A goal for Juventus by Zavarov. Napoli wedi mynd ar y blaen ar ôl 10 munud. Napoli have gone ahead after 10 minutes. Real yn dod yn gyfartal yn yr ail hanner. Real draw level in the second half. Mallorca yn cael kick o'r smotyn. Mallorca get a penalty kick. Schillaci wedi sgorio dros Juventus. Schillaci has scored for Juventus. Exercise 6A. Listen to the same sentences and fill in the blanks in the booklet in English. Goal I Juventus gan Zavarov. Napoli wedi mynd ar y blaen ar ôl 10 munud. Real yn dod yn gyfartal yn yr ail hanner. Mallorca yn cael kick o'r smotyn. Schillaci wedi sgorio dros Juventus. Here are the answers to exercise 6A. Goal I Juventus gan Zavarov. A goal for Juventus by Zavarov. Napoli wedi mynd ar y blaen ar ôl 10 munud. Napoli have gone ahead after 10 minutes. Real yn dod yn gyfartal yn yr ail hanner. Real draw level in the second half. Mallorca yn cael kick o'r smotyn. Mallorca get a penalty kick. Schillaci wedi sgorio dros Juventus. Schillaci has scored for Juventus. Exercise 6B. In these examples from genuine games, you will hear 5 goals being scored. Look at the multi-choice questions in the booklet and tick the correct answers.
Roma ar y blaen. Dim ond 3 munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae. At Mauro. Careca a rediad i'r cwrt, at Careca mae'n dod. Edrych i fyny, ond i'r rwyd! Wel, mi roedd yn edrych tuag at Carnefale, oedd ar ras i'r cwrt. Ond fe ath e'n syth am y rwyd. A Napoli ar y blaen.
O, Michel, mae di curo Mila. Michel, cyfle'r gydio falle. Michel yn sgorio! O, ergyd gampus gan Michel. Salinas! O, na chi gol! O, Salinas yn penio gol hyfryd i Barca. Mae'r bêl yn disgyn ac mae Roberto di sgorio. Ond i'r gol ddim am gyfri.
And the answers to exercise 6B. Roma ar y blaen. Roma have gone ahead after only 3 minutes. Careca scores for Napoli. Michel scores from a lovely shot. Ergyd gampus. Salinas heads a goal. And penio goal. Heads a goal for Barcelona. Barça. Roberto has a goal disallowed. Dydy'r goal ddim yn cyfri. Unit 7, y cae. Unit 7, the field. Here are the names of some parts of the football pitch. Y blwch cosbi. Or y cwrt cosbi. The penalty area. A smotyn gwyn. The penalty spot. A gornel. The corner. A cylch canol. The centre circle. A smotyn canol. The centre spot. A llinell hanner. The halfway line. Yr ystlys. Touchline. A ffin gwsg. Dead ball line. A postyn. The post. A trawst. The bar. A llinell gol. The goal line. When you're familiar with these names, try the following exercise. Where is the ball? Jot down in the booklet where you think the ball is in each of the following examples. Cripa I Maradona yn y cylch canol. Van Basten yn dodi'r bêl ar y smotyn gwyn. Mae'r bêl yn mynd dros yr ystlys am dafliad I Verona. Viali yn penio allan am gic gornel I Fiorentina. Matthaus yn rhedeg yn gry I mewn i'r blwch cosbi. The answers to exercise 7. In the first example, the ball was in the centre circle, a cylch canol. Number 2, Van Basten placed the ball on the penalty spot, a smotyn gwyn. Number 3, the ball goes dros yr ystlys, into touch. Number 4, the ball this time goes to the corner for a kick gornel, a corner kick. Number 5, Matthaus runs the ball into the blwch cosbi, the penalty area. Uned 8, y dyfarnwr a throseddau. Unit 8, the referee and offences. Here are some terms frequently used to describe crime and punishment on the football field. Play them as many times as you like. Y dyfarnwr. The referee. Y llimanwr. The linesman. Chwythu'r chwiban. To blow the whistle. Cosby. To penalise. Dyfarnu kick gosb. To award a penalty kick. Kick rydd. Free kick. Kick gornel. Corner kick. Dangos y garden felen. To show the yellow card. Y garden goch. The red card. Trosedd. A foul. Troseddu. To foul. Ffilmiau'r bêl. To handle the ball. Sgorio. To bring down. Baglu. To trip. Camsefyll. Offside. Rhwystro. To obstruct. Ildio kick o'r smotyn. To concede a penalty. Dadle gyda'r dyfarnwr. To argue with the referee. Now, here are some of the terms in context. Mae'r dyfarnwr wedi gweld trosedd. The referee has seen a foul. Mae'r asgellwr yn camsefyll. The winger is offside. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn dyfarnu kick o'r smotyn. The referee awards a penalty kick. Mae'r cefnwr wedi llawio'r bêl. The fullback has handled the ball. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn dangos y garden felen i'r amddiffynwr. The referee shows the yellow card to the defender. Exercise 8A. Listen to the following 5 sentences. Someone has done something in each one. Fill in the grid in the booklet as you listen. Play the sentences as many times as you like before listening to the answers. 1. Mae'r dyfarnwr wedi dyfarnu kick gosb. 2. Mae'r asgellwr wedi llorio rhif 7. 3. Mae'r rhif 9 yn camsefyll. 4. Mae'r amddiffynwr yn rhwystro Maradona. 5. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn dangos y garden goch i rhif 3. And now, the answers to exercise 8A. 1. The referee has awarded a penalty. 2. The winger has brought down number 7. 3. Number 9 is offside. 4. The defender is obstructing Maradona. And 5. The referee shows the red card to number 3. Exercise 8B. Now, listen to some genuine pieces of commentary and fill in the grid in the same way.
O'r prosed gan aros am enna ar Salinas ac nid y lle callaf I ildio cic. Yr enw i'r llyfr y gardyn felen. Hasaragi yn arafu pethau ar yr yslis. Ond ac yn troseddi yn erbyn Ferdeli. Cic rhydd I Inter.
Stefano Pellegrini ar ei ôl e. Doedd hi ddim yn dacl galed iawn, ond mae eisoes y llyfr y dyfarnwr a'r garden goch yn golygu bod Stefano Pellegrini yn gorfod gadael y maes. Bêl yn cael ei llirio gan Richitelli. Crippa yn cael ei lorio yn y cwrt, dim amheuaeth gan Luciano Lucci. Crippa wrth I fodd, cic o'r smotyn fydd I Napoli.
The answers to exercise 8B. 1. Arozena fouls Salinas and is shown the yellow card. 2. Costa Curta slows down play on the wing but fouls Verdelli. A free kick to Inter. 3. The red card means that Stefano Pellegrini has to leave the field. 4. Crippa is brought down in the penalty area by De Agostini. A penalty kick to Napoli.